Hello, my name is Nate. Welcome to my art channel. I'm very excited tonight to be collaborating with my fellow guest artists at the next Fluid Art Experience Conference, which is coming up very quickly. So we're only 8 weeks away. It's March 14th to the 16th in Richardson, Texas, which is just outside of Dallas. And each of us in this collaboration are showcasing some of the classes that we are teaching. I'm collaborating with Britt Clayton from Britt Clayton Design and Amber Goodwin with Amber Goodwin Art and Brian Siglarski with Studio 15 Acrylics. They're all teaching specific techniques, so their videos will be about those techniques. But my two classes are a little bit different. I'm teaching workshops that are more about essential skills for fluid art. So the first class is all about cells and lacing, pearl cells, boulder cells, the science behind it, why it happens, what ingredients work best. I'll give you all of my recipes. And we're actually going to be doing 3 paintings in each of my workshops. So the first one is about cells, and then the second one is about how to experiment, how to troubleshoot so you can fix your mistakes, and also how to find your own personal style. So I'm going to do a little bit of both. I'm going to do a pearl pour tonight on the 16 by 20 inch canvas, which is the same size we'll be using in the class. This is Artist Loft Soft Body White and DecoArt Satin Enamels, equal parts of those plus my pouring medium. And then I have 2 colors. This is Amsterdam Permanent Red Violet, and this is Liquitex Basics Dioxazine Violet, or Dioxazine Purple, sorry. And my consistency is a little thicker than normal for a pearl pour. It's very, very thin, but it does leave a slight little mound. If I were just putting this as my base coat and then pouring these 2 colors over and tilting it out, this would be a little bit thick for that. It would get some pearls, but not a lot. But what I'm going to do as an experiment, I've been playing a lot recently with finger swipes. So I want to see what kind of pearls I can get using a finger swipe. So I've never tried this before. So this is a little experiment to see what's going to happen. I'm not sure if I'm going to like the result, but I know that I'm going to learn something. And that is just as valuable. So I'm going to go ahead and put down my base coat of this pearl mix. And then we'll tilt that out and then add in some colors. So let's just go ahead and get our canvas covered. I'm really excited about these workshops because my goal with these workshops is not only to give you specifics like recipes and my process. There's an actual process to experimenting. The whole goal for my classes is to teach you how to teach yourself, because once you leave the class, you want to be able to go home and not just duplicate the results, but find your own style and create your own techniques, combine different techniques, and kind of chase your own passions. So learning how you learn will be probably the most valuable part of being in my class. It's going to be a lot of fun too, because we're not just working individually, we're going to be working in teams. There's some individual painting as well, but we'll be partnering up. So if you have a conference buddy, make sure you're taking the class together so you can have some fun with that. Let's make sure I'm still in frame. I'm pretty zoomed in. Yeah, that's good. Okay. So we're going to pop our bubbles here. Go. So I've got 9 rules to how to experiment. One of them is only change one thing. So my previous finger swipes, I was using a cell activator on thick consistency paints. This is a very thin consistency paint, and I'm not using a cell activator. So I am kind of breaking my own rule, but I know this consistency of paint and I understand pearl pours. So I'm not changing anything about the pearl pours. The only change really is the technique of how I'm getting the pearls. So I'm going to make a puddle right about here. That's a lot of paint, but I want enough paint that I can actually play. And we'll drizzle this around here also. There we go. And I'm going to take the side of my thumb. I don't use the ball of my thumb. I use the side because it's very flat, at least on my thumb. And then we're just going to drag it through the paint and try and get some interesting shapes and hopefully some pearls. So here we go. Okay, so now let's troubleshoot. The first thing I always do when I troubleshoot is I identify what I like best. So I'm super happy with the color scheme. I definitely got the pearls that I was looking for. I think these pearls are beautiful. They did not take over, so I know that the consistency that I used was correct for the result I was looking for. The finger swipes themselves, the pearls, I got more pearls as the paint spread out thinly over top, and also when I kind of drug my swipe down to the base coat and then dragged it out. That's what happened in this spot right here. My finger went all the way down to the canvas and pulled up. So I got white coming through the whole thing. I really love the shape of these. I added a couple of little wispy lines coming out in specific areas. I didn't want to do too much of it. I don't like it when it takes over, but I think the ones that I added were great. There's some unexpected motion, which I always love. I love how this comes over the top of these swipes here. Yeah, I think, oh, this section right here is gorgeous. Look at those. I probably could have tilted off more of my base coat, and that would have made it easier to swipe with my thumb. And I probably could have used a little smaller puddle, but overall, I'm happy with this composition. I'm not sure whether this is a tree or some kind of spidery kind of flower. But again, I wasn't trying for, a masterpiece here. I was looking to learn. So I think I'm going to call this a successful experiment. I'm really happy with the results of the pearls, and the color scheme is great. The overall composition is good. Yeah, I'm happy. So come learn my best tips and practices for how to make cells, or how to avoid cells if you don't want a lot of them, because not everybody loves cells. Sometimes you want something clean, and knowing what causes the cells will help you avoid them if you don't want them. So that's another reason to take my class. And also, how to experiment is just going to be the most fun for me to teach, because it is my favorite thing to do. And I hope you come and join me. Come join all of us, because there are some fantastic teachers. It's always great to just hang out with other people who share the same interests and passions and obsessions that you do. And yeah, come see us in Dallas, March 14th to the 16th. I know that the room block is still available for the host hotel, but not much longer. I think it's only another 2 or 3 weeks. So make sure if you're coming to get your hotel room booked soon. And I know there's gala dinner tickets available. Every one of the artists, instructors who will be there has a piece that we're donating for the raffle. So you could win one of a painting from one of your favorite artists. It's going to be a lot of fun. I hope you join us. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up on this video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe if you'd like to see more. And as I always say, go mix up some paints and be fearless.